Building a professional security operations incident management system in Python? Ever wondered how cybersecurity teams track and manage security incidents? I just built a complete SOC Security Operations Center ticketing system that rivals enterprise solutions costing thousands of dollars. Let's dive into this now. Here we have an good UI for visual, making it more easy to understand. Here we have all the input boxes that are necessary for Society ticket system. With quick overview, we can see incident ID, severity assigned to, reporter, and category. Now let's add some data. Now I will be adding a data to showcase you all how it actually works. .so, first we'll be adding incident ID, then title, severity, status, priority, category assigned to E, response, and infected systems. Then at last we are adding some description now.
It's ours to take. We are the firewall, standing tall, guarding the future. Through every call, phantoms
And now click on Create button then. Booms! It has added to the database. Maybe you were thinking of where do I need to add? Don't worry, this tool automatically fetches date, time, second, and it will be added automatically, and user can also view the date. Now let's add another data so it can produce some good visualization. So let's add new data. In Society, this type ticketing system is daily usable tool, and this tool store the data in local, so no required of cloud services and no data breach will be there for this tool until your device is compromised. This tool helps user to analyze, raise tickets in the organization. In further enhancement, the data can be sent to main server, but until now it will run on local. This tool works as support system if data has been compromised. This can raise ticket, provide analytics so new employees in SOC understand how it really works actually. Here you can see we have added one more data so we can visualize properly here. We can see filters like open, critical, high priority, reached. Now head to visual part. Over with help of plots, we can see incidents by severity, incidents by status, incidents by category, etc. This provides good visual understanding for everyone to see how the incidents are filtered out. And after clicking in Trends tab, we can see daily incidents creations and monthly have been reported or added over here. After clicking on Export CSV button, we can check all the data which has been added in our system will be converted into CSV format too, so you can analyze perfectly and work on with data analytics tools for deeper understanding. Here, if you want to delete an incident, then you can select that incident by clicking on it and pressing delete button. It provides a caution for the user before deleting, so user can check or see if they are deleting correct incident or not. If you want to know more about added incident, then just double tap on the incident. You will get all the information regarding that, and you can add comments too. I want to thank each and everyone for watching the video till now. I hope you get some information on security operations ticket system. If you are a beginner in cybersecurity, you can join Security Operations Analyst as fresher and land on your first jobs. We are very close to hit our 100 subscriber, so please subscribe and share this video. So until next video, keep learning and stay safe.